plastic mass, the nucleus in the center, but with a lot of cytoplasm around it. Clearly you see the myofibrillar structure within the cytoplasm, and you see some empty spots, you see some that have no nuclei. All the features you need to know to identify this as cardiac muscle. So that's cardiac muscle. Now this one is in the esophagus. I told you about that. We talked about that. Two kinds of muscles are intertwined with one another, all running longitudinally along the esophagus. Cross-section of striated muscle fiber, cross-section of smooth muscle fiber. Now remember, this is one fiber. These are myofibrils. Here are the peripheral nuclei. So the cell to identify striated muscle. Again, the characteristic features of this are the nucleus in the center, but with a small amount of cytoplasm. No striation in the cytoplasm whatsoever. Some of the profiles have no nuclei. Matter of fact, most of the profiles show no nuclei. Typical of smooth muscle in cross-section.
Okay.
So this is smooth muscle cross-section.
On va s'appeler GoGab quand même.
It may be a little bit low power for you,
On
but
peut faire des
the
babins.
nuclei in this one are shown here in longitudinal section. And there's sort of a blunt ends on either side, no obvious striation. This is smooth muscle. Now this is smooth muscle in the wall of the heart.
Ça, je l'ai vu juste parce que t'es dans le centre. Juste parce que t'es dans le centre, j'ai compris. Puis je savais que ça n'avait pas l'air d'un cœur.
Ouais. C'était pas le cœur, c'était clairement pas le cœur.
Tu sais, j'étais juste comme bon.
Identify this cell, very obvious, very large fiber, very obvious cross striations, nuclei which look like they might be in the middle, but you know they're not. So these are, identify the cells as striated muscles. Again, remember that all the cross striation on muscle were described by the light microscope, so you can see them all by light microscope microscopy. Right over there is a band in the middle of the white band, and that's the Z line. Now you'll notice that sometimes we use the word disc, a Z disc, because remember that the line in
Ah, j'étais sûr que c'était M.
is on the myofibril, it's actually a disc, it's a flame. So that's why some people use that term. Don't get it confused, it means the same thing. So this is the Z line or Z disc. All right, now this is stained with Verhoeven toxin. It shows you a connective tissue layer, right there, separating one bundle of muscle fibers from another bundle of muscle fibers. And it asks you to identify the layer. So this would be the connective tissue that surrounds the muscle bundle, and that would be the
Je me
perimesocyle.
serais trompé si tu m'avais pas dit ça.
Perimesocyle.
Mais tu venais juste de me le dire, je l'avais pas dit.
Hey, il y avait d'autres, j'ai senti.
This you've never seen. I've talked to you about it. Here's the cell.
Je suis sûr que c'est un
Here's the
mélange
cell
simple.
membrane.
C'est un hostile mélange.
Separate this cell from that cell. These are myofibrils in cross-section. So you know it's a striated muscle. The nucleus belongs to a satellite cell.
Bah,
Talked about it.
je suis allé pour Schwann, moi.
I've shown it to you.
T'es allé pour quoi, là?
You'll never forget.
Ouais,
Moi
moi
aussi.
aussi, j'étais comme.
Le médecin, depuis le début, on les voit, c'est des petites affaires de même.
Longitudinal section.
Je sais que.
A striated muscle, two Z lines over here. We're looking at the smooth endoplasmic reticulum between the sarcoplasmic reticulum. This is a T-tubule. That is a membrane
Moi, j'ai
over
mis
here.
tibio.
It's a terminal system.
Ah.
Oui.
Je sais pas ce que j'ai.
I went back to that on purpose.
Mais c'est quoi, je savais même pas que Terminal System, ça faisait partie, fait que j'avais
Je
pas
l'ai lu hier. Je pense que je l'ai lu hier.
J'étais juste comme,
J'ai pas lu le. Je l'ai pas lu hier.
Non, c'est correct. On a eu 9. C'est correct.
j'ai eu 8, c'est pas super. Je pars avec 0.025% de moins que vous autres.